it never ceases to amaze me how much energy comes from this place. And it really is at the cutting edge in terms of some of the trends that are being delivered, whether that be 5G or mobile devices being shown. It's a great event. Delivering connectivity has huge advantages, whether that's just in terms of delivering a better driving experience through enabling and driving diagnostics and collecting diagnostics to make sure that the systems are performing better. So there's so many ways that having a connected car can improve the driving experience, but also reduce costs for the car manufacturers in terms of delivering, basically collecting more predictive maintenance information, etc., to help them deliver a better service to the end customer. There's not one carrier that can provide connectivity globally, or at least not at the best price with the best connectivity and best round trip performance. For example, that's important if you're looking at your sat-nav, but you're asking a concierge service in terms of, where's the nearest petrol station or where do I visit. So eSIMs are important because they're not dedicated to one particular carrier. It enables you to deliver different carrier connectivity over the air across that SIM, which means that you've got the most choice in terms of the car manufacturer has the most choice and the consumer has the most choice in terms of which carrier and which connectivity and which access is being delivered through that SIM. If you're running predictive maintenance in the right way and collecting over it, it's all about delivering better braking systems, better battery performance. So, I guess the best experience is you don't have to take it to the garage as much. And some of the consumer services that this will enable, whether that be Wi-Fi hotspot or other such infotainment systems, of course, your car is just an extension of your home now. And delivering that seamless experience will be critical and actually I think will be demanded by the customer.